Alright, it's your boy again here, SL Auto. I'm sure you can see what I'm trying to do here. If not, I'm trying to help my customers so they can see where they're going, especially at night time. They need this light to be much clearer so they can see. So all I'm doing here, I'm just restoring this headlamp back to its original. You can check the other side, it's showing. Look how nice it is. And this one should also get there by the end of the day. Alright, so next step here is just to wipe. It's coming along. And this is just soapy water that I'm spraying. I'm just wiping it down. As you can see, it's getting much better. You should have seen this thing from the beginning. It was all yellow. And it's a common thing with these, especially with these Japanese cars. Very common. The older they get. So I'm gonna replace this pad with a new one. So just to give you a rundown, I started with the 500 and the next one here is 800. So it's more fine. Alright, so I'm just getting ready for the final stage. As you can see how nice this light is right now. I'll still go back to this one and just compare. Alright, so what I'm doing right now is just using the foam pad. I ended up having to use this electrical one because my battery powered one is dead. So right now I'm just charging the batteries for it, but I'll just finish the job with this one. Anyways, so I have the plastic polish right here, and that's the stuff that you want to put right on this foamy pad, just to give it a nice polish. And I will show you the final result. I'm almost there. Alright, so I just finished using the polishing cream, so I'm just gonna wipe this down and show you the end result. Sorry, I'm just holding the camera with one hand and doing the job with the other one. But as you can see pretty much all the light bulbs in there. I can see one right there, one underneath, one at the center, the signal one. All nice and clear now. Alright, my job is done. So this headlight alone is about $399 to buy, and I believe my labor and the part being used here It's way cheaper than that. So if ever you decide you need your lights restored back to its original look, give me a call, send me a text, send me a WhatsApp message. I'll be able to help you at a fraction of that price. Once again, thank you for supporting Zulu Boy, aka SL Auto. May God bless you.